You see that? That's a fake scalp on this bangs wig I'm having. It's a realistic um base wig. See that really cute and nice. Look at that, you guys. It's so nice. So I got this on AliExpress and it's a 14-inch human hair bangs wig in color brown. Yeah, color 4 or color 2. This is a brown color. And this shade comes in different color, both black, um, red, 99J, brown, reddish brown, whatever color you want. So I will drop the link in the description below in case you're interested. This is not expensive, it's really affordable. Under $50 you can buy this. They're on sale right now. And then this is another color, 33 in color. Same thing, realistic fake cap lace fabric. One thing I love about the wig is that it fits snug and enough space, enough adjustment at the back too.